So all this is Crary over here.
So do those tile plows come with someone to hook up the pipe?
No.
So those are all aerial parts there?
Yeah,
Good.
all Winces.
That's the dirt shooter?
That's the dirt shooter.
This is the Crary HQ. So folks, we are here in sunny Fargo, North Dakota. Real sunny. But we're here for the full pot event, and we're starting it off with a tour of the Crary manufacturing place. Looky there, they're having rat troubles. Keeping the mice here.
Illegally parked.
Familiar face.
Yeah, what's going on, guys? You guys didn't get snowed in.
For that, it's irrelevant. Back then they were doing some smaller combine attachments, sunflower pans. We're laid out here a little bit backwards, but we have our service warehouse over here, so if the dealer needs parts or you need parts.
Stand on the scale, please.
Like on The Office?
Hey, there's no more tour unless we,
There's a weight limit the further back you go.
all over the world. That's, as far as we can see, we'll be anything in crates is going to go South America.
So do you have any with the electric motor on?
We do have some, not a lot, but that's a lot of testing going in the future of that.
I'll give you a project. Design this up on top of the grain leg to do away with an electric motor.
Now this area smells like Menards.
Saving big money, Terry.
Some nice wood.
Really, it's clean.
Yeah.
The product, that's one thing we always want to make sure we have product available for everybody, anytime.
What is the timetable on, like, if you are ordering it? Like, how long does it take to, I guess, have all the parts for an aerial from start to finish?
From start to finish here, so again, since we do planning and have products brought into house just in time, typically we're going to build something in 2 to 3 weeks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is day 7 of the 12 days of Crary Christmas. The theme for today is Breakfast Club, and the winner is Cody Madison in fabrication. Congrats, Cody.
I was pulling for you, Doug. I was pulling for you. So how much of a ditch can you dig with this? Like, how deep can this machine go?
So this has a depth of a 10-inch cut, and we have 5-foot wide flat bottom.
Okay. So you're moving quite a bit of dirt.
Yeah. Planters. We're the only one that makes them, and the reason they use
5 horse?
It might be a 15, maybe. I bet if you put that in a half-ton pickup, you'd know.
Crary makes potato harvesting equipment. I believe this is a potato picker, potato harvester. So is this the windrow or the picker?
This is the harvester.
Is it a picker?
It's called a harvester.
A harvester? Okay.
So it floats the potatoes with the air.
As far as this
Spilled something there.
Nope, that wasn't me.
wasn't me.
A little bit of
Nothing to see there.
So that rock crack all come out. Dust and everything collected inside.
So is this the last cleaning step then? Or?
This would be before it goes into storage.
Okay.
They said it was supposed to be down for software update.
This facility is a 200,000 square foot facility where they do everything from packaging to complete manufacturing. So like a lot of fabrication going on, a lot of welders, a lot of CNC stuff going on, laser cutters, water cutters.
You can see this is what, 5/8 material, I think, that we cut on here. Or we can do any cut. This spring, again, they're still going through the software update. I did have a video just in case that you guys could see of how fast it actually is cutting metal, and that's not
sped up.
That's not sped up.
Yeah.
So that's the advantage of the new technology. This is a thinner material, but it's, us just adding this allows us to take some other equipment out of our factory.
And the clear.
Dry off everything.
So here, this is where they hang the carcasses of all the deer. No, actually this is the paint booth. See these hooks right here, they have pieces of metal on there, they'll roll through this assembly line right around through there, pretty neat.
80-degree oven, you can go stand by there and feel some of the heat. Go ahead.
This is as close to that oven as I want to get. Think you can run through it?
Yeah, I bet you can make it.
You
Let's try.
think so?
You look
Yeah.
wiry.
Just you.
Here, I'll hold your camera. Go, go.
Better turn,
might melt.
turn the cameras off because your insurance ain't gonna like that.
Where it's powder coating, that's a big oven. All the stuff is going through there. Make the powder coating one.
Yeah, you can see the vent.
Do the guys ever cook their dinner in there?
Sure.
I think a pot roast or something on it. I don't know.
Are we having fun, Brian?
You take this thing off any cool jumps?
Not yet. I haven't found time. I've only had it for 3,000 miles, so.
Still under warranty then. It's
Wow.
time to do it.
Mom, what do you think?
Go for it.
Lots of buttons. I just got done with the Prairie tour. We're going to get some dinner and tour the Grand City of Fargo, North Dakota.
What do you think of that?
Don't fall in because they have to call the fire department. It looks like it. Are you kidding?
That slicer will bring over.
Oh, that one might.
90 yards.
90 yards.
How many do you think are in there?
Listen, this stuff will kill you.
One less now.
That'll get you. Huh?
Yeah, water will get
That's
you.
why everybody's dragging this morning.
You guys drink too much water, clearly. So there is a 400 quart, a quart, 400, whatever. A Grizzly 400.
Bushel.
400 bushel? Bushel must be different here. I didn't know one of those existed. You can even pick it up with a forklift.
I kind of want it.
Well, you have to pick it up with a forklift. What else are you going to pick it up with?
The big
Let's say Eric.
Jaron, they're just gonna grab one more stick. So you're not Al. You're not gonna be able to just like sit.
It's starting. Looks like he knows karate.
From Nick to Brian, and just a fun fact, both Brian and I are from Southern Ohio, so I like this question. Brian, can you speak more?
Hey everybody, first off, I didn't get as many clips of the actual full pot event as I was hoping to, so I thought I'd take a minute to explain. So first and foremost, this is Prairie's video available on their Facebook and YouTube page if you would like to watch the rest of it. Basically, first thing at the event, we did a meet and greet with fans, took pictures, signed autographs, had some dinner, and then we did this Q&A. It was internet submitted questions read by our MC, if you will, the host of Ag Week. And then after that was over, we just kind of hung out, talked to some people, and that was the event. The whole thing took about 4.5, 5 hours. There was lots of door prizes. It was a really good time. So if you are looking for a event to do in the winter, and if they do this again next year, I highly advise it. The only bad thing was the weather was a little crummy. I mean, we were in a blizzard, but still had a really good turnout. Had people all the way from Boston, Massachusetts, Saskatchewan, Chicago, people from all across the country. Had a great time. One last thing I wanted to mention, we did several podcasts with Ag Week as well as a TV show, so those should be available sometime in the near future, anywhere you can consume those media, including RFD TV. So just want to throw that out there.
Well, that is it. Full pod has came and it is gone. So it's 9 o'clock at night. Everybody just left, and we're closing her down. We're heading out.
That was a new experience. It was fun.
Yep.
It was fun being with you.
We had a good time.
You're fun.
I am.